Everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Chatgpt to detect whether something, whether an article, an email, any paragraph or any text was written by an AI. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to chatopenai.com. You need to log in. If you haven't signed up, just you can use your Google account to authenticate, or any other your email and password. You can register and sign it up. At the moment it's using open beta, so it's going to be free. Okay, so let's type in, for those of you that don't know what Chatgpt is, let me type it in here. What is Chatgpt? So Chatgpt is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is a variant of the GPT generative pre-training transformer model, which is trained on a large data set of text and is able to generate human-like text when prompted with a given prompt or context. Chatgpt is specifically designed for conversational language generation and is capable of understanding and responding to natural language inputs. So it's basically like having a conversation with someone who's very knowledgeable, and they'll be able to reply to any of your questions or even ask them to do anything, and you will get text that is well written, or even code that has been created specifically just based on the questions and responses during the conversation you're having with Chatgpt. So the aim of this video is, so how do you detect whether something has been written by Chatgpt? There are many tools out there at the moment that allows you to create content. So you can create blog articles, marketing, text. So how do you know whether that's been written by an AI? So what I've done is just say I'm going to copy this paragraph, and then you can ask Chatgpt whether this was written by an AI. Was this written by AI? And put it in inverted commas. And let's see. Yes, this text was generated by the AI language model Chatgpt. So this is the quickest way to determine whether something was written by AI. And you can basically copy and paste any text and put it in there and use this as a detector as well. So using Chatgpt to detect whether Chatgpt actually has written that text. Now if this video helped in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.